Welcome back everybody. In today's video we got a huge tool haul from Capri Tools. We're going to go over what they send out so you guys know what to look forward to in future videos. Now as always, I don't just do videos on the tools, I actually try to use them and get an idea of them before I do my review videos on them. Some of these might get their own videos without that, and I'll just tell you as I get to them, but let's go ahead and get started. Alright, the first thing they send out here is going to be a 15-piece half-inch drive stubby impact socket set that you can see right here. This one goes to 10 to 24, nice complete set. It's made of chrome moly steel, really like that. Now they set theirs up a little bit different than other companies. I do have the Quinn version of this. We will be doing a comparison video on it. But let's take a look and see on the inside, since this one's got a clear cover on it. You can kind of see what these look like here. So let's move on to the next thing. Alright, next thing they set out was their 15-piece 3/8 drive stubby impact socket set. This one goes from 8mm to 22mm. Once again, these are made of chrome moly. Really like that, mostly since they're impact rated. But they also sent out the 23 and the 24. So that makes this even more of a complete set. Really like that about this, that they have no skips. And that's why I love sockets from Capri, and most of my sockets are from them because I like that they do no skips on them. Next up here was a bonus. I didn't even know they were going to send these, but they got the 3/8 drive aluminum socket rails. Those are very nice looking on there, and they do sell the extra clips in case you need more clips for these. That one was 3/8. Then this one is a 1/2-inch one. These look very nice. Wasn't expecting these, so that was a very nice surprise and gift from them. Now I know air tools are getting outdated, but they had a couple of die grinders I wanted just because I could have some use for them. First one we got here is a 1/4-inch angle die grinder they sent out. And then they also sent their straight one out for us to try out. This is going to be something new for me to use. What I want them for is like when I'm doing brakes to clean up the hub surface on those, and then also on the actual rotor. If I'm taking the wheel off, I like cleaning the rotor and the wheel off. These will help me clean those off, and I wanted to give them a try for that reason. Next up here is another air tool. To me, it's not a bad idea to have a backup air option. So I got the 1/2-inch drive stubby impact wrench. This one is a twin hammer with 450 pounds. I figured that would probably be enough torque to at least do lug nuts on it. I will test it out on other things like suspension and stuff when I get the chance to, but I figured this would be a good for a backup in case of any of my electrical ones dying. Next up here we have the Contour Star screwdriver set. This is a 6-piece with the mechanics tray. Open this up, and I love the way they do their trays with Capri. Of course my favorite colors are blue and black, and that's why I say that. But man, these things look good, and I can't wait to try out that grip. That grip looks like it'd be a lot more comfortable than the set I have now. Can't wait to try these out. Next up here we have the Windstorm air blow gun set with the mechanics tray on this also, and we're going to take a look at this, open it up. They have a very nice air gun. It already comes with a fitting in it. That's one thing I really like about it. And then you got all these different adapters here to use. This is another one I cannot wait to try out because there's multiple uses for it. Next up here we have the auto trim removal tool for panels and grommets. And this once again comes in a very nice case here. It is made of metal, and I actually got to tear my door back apart. I just did a window regulator in my car, and for some reason the window's coming up crooked on the front, so I got to tear it all back apart. So this is going to be the video, that's going to be the video I should say, where I'm going to use these and demonstrate them. And then I'll find a couple other things to do this bottom with to demonstrate it for you guys, but I can't wait to use these. And the next thing we got here is a BFH from Capri. This is a big 50-ouncer here. And the thing I like about this is, look at that, from Capri. Made in the USA. Most of their stuff is made in Taiwan. Their hammers are made in the USA, and that's why I wanted to try this out. I have a Icon 24-ounce I normally use, but sometimes I need something a little bit beefier. And I saw they had this 50-ounce, so I was like, man, I want to try that out. So they sent it out for me to try. Alright, now the next thing we have here is the Capri 0-degree offset extra long boxed in wrench set. This goes from 8 to 24mm, and they're double ended. And this is the thing I really like about it. They're 0 offset, they're super thin, and they're up to 2 times longer than anything else. And the reason why I wanted these was for leverage and breaking bolts loose. I work on rusty cars. You guys seen some of the videos I put out. I got a '05 Subaru Legacy. The underneath of that, mostly in the back, is solid rust. So sometimes I need something to break those bolts loose and need a little bit more leverage. And that's where these come in. And then also I have the wrench extender if I need even more leverage. I got that back in the first time Capri sent me something. I think that was at the beginning of the year or the end of last year. I still need to do a video on that one, but that's why I wanted these longer ones that get some better torque on stuff. And with the box end wrenches, you don't have to worry about them slipping as much as you do an open end. Now next up here, we got their 92 C2 locking flex head ratchet with the soft grips. Now I cannot wait to try these out here. I have the older version and I'm going to be doing a comparison video. I still need to do a video with the original ones, and then I'm going to do a comparison one with this one because there is a difference in them. So that's something you guys will be looking forward to seeing. What this has is a locking flex head. You can unlock the flex head, and then it's a 90 tooth. They got the comfort grip on here. These things are some bad mamma jammas right there, and they look like they would be very nice to use. Cannot wait to try these out. These are brand new. Now, talking about new products here, we have a 1/2-inch drive breaker bar with a soft grip. We got the 15-inch one right here. And then I can't even get this one all the way in. We also have the 1/2-inch. This one is a 24-inch. These are going to be very nice to have for those stubborn, rusty bolts also. That's what these would be used for with me. But also, you could use them for other things like busting lug nuts loose and stuff like that. Cannot wait to try these out with the comfort grips. Now the next thing here we got is a big old box. I'm going to be redoing my 4-drawer tool cart. All the impact sockets I got in there now are going to go back into the plastic blow molded case, and I'm going to use those for travel. So I wanted something else to keep in my toolbox. So what I went with here is the Capri Tools 1/2-inch drive, shallow and deep impact sockets. These come with a nice Wesleyan tray. This is a 10 to 27 millimeter setup here, and we're going to open it up and give you a little bit of live action here. They come with 2 different trays, and I got them in the blue because, like I said, blue is my favorite color. Then we have the shallow impact socket set, and then we have the deep socket set here, and that's going to be a little bit heavy to get out, but you guys can see it's upside down, but that gives you an idea what's in this box. Now next up here is another big box, and this one is a 3/8 drive, shallow, semi-deep, and deep impact socket set, metric, and this is going to be 8 to 22 millimeter. This is going to be a 45-piece set, and I wanted this for the same reason as I said before. I got the 3/8 drive set. I'm going to put it back into blow molded case, and then I'm going to use that as my mobile stuff, and this is going to stay in my toolbox. So once again, right here we have the semi-deeps right here. Got a very nice Wesleyan tool tray again in the blue. And then we have the deep and shallows here in this one. And that is everything they sent out for this tool haul. So there you have it. There is my Capri tool haul. Once again, I'd like to thank Capri Tools for sending stuff out to the channel. As always, just because they send it out to the channel doesn't mean if I don't like it or if something's wrong, I won't tell you guys. No money exchanged hands. They just sent me these tools and said, hey, do a video on them and tell us your honest thoughts on it. And that's what I like doing and companies I like dealing with. Now, I know normally I do Harbor Freight sales videos and stuff like that, but I also want to get more into doing more tool stuff too. And then also, I like to compare Capri with the Icon stuff I have. So some of those videos are going to be coming up in the future also. I'm just trying to grow my channel. Talking about growing my channel, I would like it if you guys would leave a comment down below, like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell. That all helps grow the channel, and I cannot grow this channel without you. Also, we are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.